Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to download and reconcile your UAE VAT to 01E return directly in TallyPrime. Downloading the VAT to 01 return from the Emara Tax portal helps you reconcile the return summary with the transactions recorded in your books of account and ensure accuracy in your reports. Press Alt-Z. All VAT options and select Download VAT to 01 return. If you are already logged into the Emara Tax portal and the VAT session is active in TallyPrime, the list of return statuses screen appears directly. If not, log into the Emara Tax portal when prompted, then press S, Start Session, to start the VAT session in TallyPrime. The screen displays the return periods available from the portal, along with their current download status like pending or downloaded. The return periods shown are based on your company's book's beginning date and VAT applicable date. By default, the screen displays return periods with the download status as pending. To view all returns, including those already downloaded, press F6 Show All. To access returns from other periods, press F7 Other Periods. Select the required return period and then press D, Download. If you re-download a return, the new one will override the earlier version. A confirmation message appears once the return is downloaded successfully. After a successful download, you can immediately proceed to reconcile the return. Press V, VAT to 01 reconciliation report from the confirmation message. Alternatively, if you want to reconcile later, press Alt-G, type VAT to 01 reconciliation and select it. The VAT to 01 reconciliation report helps you compare the VAT to 01 return summary in your books with the downloaded values from the Emara Tax portal. The report displays section-wise comparisons of books and portal values, along with automatic reconciliation status. Reconciled, all relevant sections match. Unreconciled, one or more sections show differences. Press Ctrl-B, Basis of Values, to choose whether to show books values, comparison values, or only differences. If the status is unreconciled, you can reconcile the transactions. Drill down on a section to see vouchers contributing to books values. Press Ctrl-Enter. To open the voucher alteration screen and make corrections, if required, press F12 Configure. To adjust report settings, such as preferred amount type computed or actual, acceptable limits for differences, and whether to ignore certain variances, press Alt-S, Set Recon Status. To manually mark the status as manually reconciled. You can also update the VAT periodicity if there is any mismatch in the return periods before reconciling. Once reconciliation is complete, you can ensure that your VAT to 01 values in TallyPrime are fully compliant with the Emara Tax portal. Thank you.